Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'm going to share with you how you can create email and also you can attach image, document or PDF file in your Gmail. So keep watching. In this video you will learn very advanced thing. So friend, first thing first, we are going to open Gmail account. So here simply click on this Google Chrome browser and simply type Gmail on address bar. So friend, here first thing we are going to compose an email. So simply click on this compose button and here we are going to type attachment email. Okay, so this is my subject line and here, hello everyone, hello sir or ma'am. Okay, please find an attachment. Okay. Simply right click on it and change these things. And here friend, in bottom you will see this attachment file over here. You simply click on it and you will get where your document and file is available. So here we are going to select page 1 like that. Okay, that PDF file here attaching. Now we are going to attach like image over here. So we simply click on this image. Okay, so this is attaching image over here, and now I'm going to attach document over here. Okay, so like this you can simply attach your document. So friend, here you can see that my three things are attached over here. First thing is the PDF, second one is JPG file, and third one is my document. And here we are going to simply send this email to here and simply click on this send. So friend, my email will send over here. Okay, here myself, actually I send this email to myself. That time I got these things. Okay, so friend, this is the tutorial which I want to share with you guys, how you can attach document, image or PDF file into your email. So friend, if you like this video, then click on like button and share with your friends and family so they can also learn about these things, how to attach document, PDF or image file into your email. So friend, thank you for watching and stay tuned with me. We will meet in next video. Stay tuned.